Hi, today I'm for the Emporia SMART.5 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now by this way, we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. As you can see, that's all simple. If you want to just rename the folder or just to give a name, just tap on it once and enter the apps. Then click to done, the home button, and we can see that we just successfully changed it. If you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Also, if you want to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the whole screen, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, we can remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold it and drag it also to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.